Hi, Magalai question if P is a point on the hyperbola. So, the hyperbola equation and the point and P and N is a foot to the perpendicular from point P. So, P in a foot or point and N and perpendicular point and other meet in the transverse axis. So, the axis is the equation axis x square. So, start so number transverse axis x axis. The tangent to the hyperbola at P meet the transverse axis at T. So P luda pass a tangent under that meet in the point T transverse axis T and the point. If O is the center of the hyperbola, O is hyperbola center, then the value of OT into ON. OTA ON going to multiply that. Okay, the value do not find and so we going to figure out so this is the axis. So this is the hyperbola. So P and the point x1, y1 P and the point x1, y1 and this point is perpendicular foot transverse axis so that point is N. Our point N and tangent under transverse axis T and the point touch and P luda pass a tangent under. So this point is T. So this is the center of the hyperbola center. This is the figure out. And N in the coordinate this is axis x axis is 0 y coordinate 0 and e coordinate x1 perpendicular distance so x1 and tangent in the equation x1 y1 one point x1 y1 and the point pass tangent in the equation and x x1 by a square minus y1 by b square is equal to 1. This is the tangent in the equation passes through the point x1 and y1. So, in the end, a b a square and b square value and this point pass tangent pass point T. So, T is axis, T is x axis. X axis is 0, y coordinate is 0. So, x axis y coordinate is 0. So, here we y substitution. 0 substitution, x in the value find. So, this term totally 0. X x1 by a square value 9 is equal to 1. X in the value x is equal to 9 by x1. So x in the value T and the point T and the point 9 by x1, 0 T and the point 9 by x1, 0 and N and the point x1, 0 and OT OT original distance so origin center so center and 0, 0 center so distance 9 by x1 and ON and x1 the product find OT into ON is equal to 9 by x1 into x1 x1 cancel the answer 9 so option A is the right answer. Okay,